In today's video, you will learn about the Microsoft Excel function called trim function. I hope this information will be valuable for your knowledge. What is a trim function? Single space between words and no space characters at the beginning or conclusion of the text are left after the Excel trim function removes all excess areas from the text. The purpose of this function is to remove extra spaces from the text so that the text with additional spaces is removed. The syntax of this function is equals trim open parenthesis text close parenthesis. How to use this function? The trim function strips extra spaces from text, leaving only a single space between words, and removing any leading or trailing space. For example, equals trim open parenthesis quotation mark a stitch space in time period. Quotation mark close parenthesis returns a stitch in time without spaces. The trim function can be used together with a clean function to remove extra space and strips out other non-printing characters. Equals trim open parenthesis clean open parenthesis A1 double close parenthesis. Trim and clean. Trim often appears in other more advanced text formulas. For example, the formula below will count the number of words in cell A1. Len open parenthesis trim open parenthesis A1 double close parenthesis minus len open parenthesis substitute open parenthesis A1 comma quotation mark comma quotation mark double close parenthesis plus 1. Because this formula depends on single spaces to get an accurate word count, trim is used to normalize space before the count is calculated. Trim strips extra spaces from text, leaving only single spaces between words and no space characters at the start or end of the text. Trim is useful when cleaning up text that has come from other applications or environments. Trim only removes the ASC2 space character 32 from the text. Unicode text often contains a non-breaking space character, 160, that appears on web pages as an HTML entity. This will not be removed with trim. The clean function strips the first 32 non-printing characters, ASC2 values 0 through 31 from the text. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Please let me know in the comment section about the kinds of things you'd want to learn more about.